But guys, so I just made a video of this Eskimo, and I had to get it out of those fins. And now I'm gonna do a comparison of the Eskimo and the Toastmaster. I like the Eskimo because of like the performance, but the Toastmaster, it's in better shape, so it looks a little bit better. But one day I'm hoping to like paint these grills so it looks a little better. And I think I'm gonna sand this because I want to keep the color. I like it. But I'm gonna do a comparison of these, so I guess I'll sew it aside. I like this that it has a leather handle. That's really nice. It feels a lot better carrying it than this plastic handle does. Did you know that this has a leather handle? Look at that. That's a cute belt. Like yeah. I think it might beat the Toastmaster. I think I like it more than the Toastmaster.
That leather handle looks like that's part of a belt that somebody put in there when the old handle broke off.
Yeah, I like that though.
So
it feels nice.
It's a nice idea.
Okay.
Well, do you like it? Okay. Do we have to go outside? Go for a walk?
So that's the side. I will turn them to the other side. Can I weigh them too, Dad? Because I want to see which one's heavier.
Yeah, just put mine still.
Okay. Now let's do the back. This one has a much bigger motor. So this. In terms of the
I'll see you later, okay?
Okay. The Eskimo is definitely a lot older than the Toastmaster. But the Eskimo has some better advantages to it than the Toastmaster does. First, they both have riveted feet. But these on the Toastmaster are plastic. And the riveted feet on this are rubber, so this has more grip than this one. So now, well, I'll get a scale to weigh them. You know what I'll do right now for you guys? I'll turn them both on low so you can kind of have a little bit of air moving. Or you can kind of see what's going on. See if I can get a good shot. Actually, I'll go down with you guys. Let's turn these off. Okay. Okay, got the scale. This can go up to 50 pounds, which is about as much as my sister weighs. If it's more than 50 pounds, it will say error. So, the fans are different. So I'll put that there so we can see what's happening. So let's start with the Toastmaster. I have to move the scale up a little bit so the cords can reach. There we go. It says 8 pounds and 1.8 ounces. Okay. Fix it. Now for the Eskimo. £8 pounds and 7.6 ounces. Up 7.4. Okay. Wait, it's not quite stable on the scale. Okay, 8.2. Jeez. This one weighs a bunch. Okay. Alright. Now we'll fire them up. So I'll do one at a time, both. I'll do one at a time, both. Actually, no, I'm just gonna do both because right now, we'll get it wrong. Whoa. Actually, we're gonna do high. The Toastmaster is probably louder. And I'll be honest, what side I feel more air from. And I feel a lot more air from this one. Let's see how well I can feel from far back. Because the Toastmaster is good at going far back. I feel a breeze in the Toastmaster, but I feel a really strong wind from that Eskimo. I like the I like, for like, I'll make that video this morning.